गोवा फॉरवर्ड सारकिल्ल्या प्रादेशिक अस्तित्व आशिल्ल्या पक्षांनी महाराष्ट्रात महाविकास आघाडी सरकार स्थापित केला. शिवसेनेचे संजय राऊत आणि राष्ट्रवादी पक्षाचे प्रफुल्ल पाटील हांची आमी भेट घेतली. अशा तरेचो प्रयोग आमी प्रमोद सरकारा आड गोंयांत करपाक सोदतात म्हण गोवा फॉरवर्ड पक्षाचो निमंत्रक विजय सरदेसाय उलयला. RDX Goa ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
We three MLAs of the Goa Forward Party have met Mr. Sanjay Raut and also Praful Patel of the NCP. We had gone to congratulate them on the formation of the Mahavikas Aghadi government in Maharashtra. We are of the opinion that this government is formed by a regionalistic entity just like us, a regionalistic entity that fights for the interests of the local people. We intend to have such type of an experiment being recreated in Goa so as to be an alternative to the anti-people government of Dr. Pramod Sawant, which is working for itself, for their self-interest, for pecuniary interest, not for the interest of Goa. What we have seen in the Madai River diversion case, which we had filed in the NGT, the National Green Tribunal, the failure of Goa government to even represent itself is a very clear-cut message being sent that the people to remain in power are willing to negotiate with the interest of the state, and this is harmful for the state. So we believe that an alternative is required. We have been backstabbed by the BJP after even being responsible for the formation of their government. A similar state was with the Shiv Sena in Maharashtra. On that point, we have a common ground. We believe that we will interact with more people who are genuinely interested to work to get rid of this anti-people government in Goa. All such people have to come together. We have high respect for Mr. Sharad Pawar, who is the magnet behind this Mahavikas Aghadi. We will work with all of them and we will take this experiment, this model also to Goa, to take Goa forward.